In this video, I'm gonna go over 5 real use cases that I use as a realtor that I build using Claude. And use case number 2 actually helped me close 7 deals this year already. This is a practical Claude for Realtor guide to teach you how and what use cases that you should build for your own real estate business. If this is your first time here, my name is Zhang. I am the founder of Real Estate AI Society, and I'm a realtor here in Austin, Texas. If you want to get access to all the prompts and guides to help you get more clients and close more deals, you can sign up to the free newsletter using the link down below. Use case number 1, I use Claude as my SEO assistant and wrote countless blog posts that targets long tail keywords. I believe as a real estate agent, a real estate professional, you get called by SEO companies all the time saying that they will write blog posts for you to help you optimize your website for SEO. But now, instead of paying them $2,000 a month, I use Claude and I write it in an SEO optimized way. There's like a particular prompt and a structure of articles that I told Claude to write in order to help my blog posts rank higher on Google. In those blog posts, they are referencing me, William Zhang, in Austin, Texas, as either a luxury agent, move-up buyer agent, downsizing expert, new construction expert, home seller expert. Reference me in different blog posts. Right now, those blog posts don't exist. And then ChatGPT can't find those information online. So what happens is that once you start targeting those keywords and writing very specific blog posts for those long tail keywords, your posts will get ranked higher. And that's how you get cited on ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all the big LLMs out there. This is considered a SEO hack. So some of the keywords I'm targeting are moving to Austin, best suburbs, Round Rock homes for sale, relocating to Austin, Texas, Austin versus Dallas, etc. Before, every post has to be written by an actual human. But now, because Claude is one of the best sounding AI tools out there and the blog post it writes in such a good quality, if you structure it, you format the blog post in a way so that it gets easier references by ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, you will actually get more traffic coming in from your blog post. ChatGPT are actually ranking and citing me for some of those keywords that I mentioned before. This is a long-term play. The real results comes after 6 to 12 months. This is something that you should continuously improve and write blog posts on. As long as you set up the system, everything just becomes much easier. And the next thing, this is use case number 2. This is actually what helped me close 7 deals already this year. I am a content first real estate agent. This is in fact how I generated most of my leads and business last year. One of the biggest bottleneck I had as a realtor was that it is a lot of work to actually prepare a video, to conduct actual solid market research, to have the right scripts and then go out and film it and then have my editor edit it. Now, the whole pre-packaging, all the market research, the scripting, the direction, the topic ideas is done via my AI assistant that I built using Claude. So the whole process is simplified. Instead of spending 10 hours, I can just spend 30 minutes preparing for a video. That is a 20x improvement and it saved me a lot of time so I can provide better service to my clients. I can focus on things that actually revenue generating. That is how it actually helped me close 7 deals since I started using Claude, because I was able to create more content, create very engaging thumbnails. In fact, this presentation that you see on the screen right here and the thumbnail that you clicked on is created using Claude. I personally don't like to talk off teleprompters and don't read through the scripts because I personally feel like having some sort of an off script conversation and the results, I got 7 deals closed since I started using Claude, and the content that I made are getting clients to me. And I think in the future, Claude can help with the post-production, meaning you will help my editor edit videos faster as well. If you want to learn how to set up all of these workflows that I use to help me grow my real estate business, you need to join the 3-week live cohort that is coming up. In this cohort, we'll have live coaching sessions where I show you step by step how to build your own real estate AI operating system using Claude so that you can create more content, write more blog posts, get more leads, connect everything to your CRM. So Claude can become your AI assistant that learns everything about your business, basically become the best business partner that you will ever get. If you want to learn more about the real estate AI operating system, you can sign up to the waitlist using the link down below. And third use case, this one actually saved me a lot of headache. I connected Claude to my CRM. I use Follow Up Boss. Follow Up Boss, from my perspective, very complicated. It's a lot of work to set up the automation, follow up emails, the text, and set up the frequencies and the things. I've been using it for like 2 years. I still only scratched the surface because I didn't want to put time into it. I don't want to study it. I don't think it's a skill set that really matters, but it is a skill set that matters if I want to run and scale up my real estate business. What I did is I connected Follow Up Boss to Claude, and I said, Claude, how do I best use my CRM? How do I identify the most active leads? And then Claude just plop, based on the documentation and my personal workflow and setup and the prompts that I gave Claude, it connected to Follow Up Boss in a way that helps me run my business. For example, you will identify the most qualified leads with the hottest activities so that I can follow up with those individuals every day on my daily update. Every morning I wake up, I ask Claude, good morning, and then Claude is going to run this for me. That is how I discovered one of the deals that I almost missed. My client saw a home, they favored the property. I didn't really take notice of it. I was busy with something else. Claude actually logged it and then reminded me to follow up with that person. And then in terms of automation and follow-ups, what it does here is that because Follow Up Boss has automations, email follow-ups, text follow-up is actually an additional plugin. It's very expensive. Personally, I'm thinking about a way to shift away from Follow Up Boss. You can actually set up automation very straightforward now because I connected Claude to my Follow Up Boss CRM. And I think in the future, there will be a CRM that is AI native where you don't ever have to go into a dashboard and click or type in anything. Right now, what I do, I just talk to Claude using my microphone because Claude intake information that way and say, add these leads to my CRM. And then Claude will do that for me. And then I ask, draft follow-up emails for these leads. They will draft everything for me. If you're interested in learning how to set everything up, sign up for the live cohort. It is going to change the way you do your business. And that is how you compound and not get left behind in the AI era. Use case number 4. I just hosted an open house this past weekend. I used to spend a lot of time creating a form just to gather all of the leads that's coming in to browse the home. This weekend, I just asked Claude to create a form that's going to intake all of the open house leads. It just did it using this plugin that I connected to called Tally, Tally. So that whenever someone comes in and tour the house, I just ask them, hey, can you put in your information? And now I have their contact information and that is synced to my CRM. That is how straightforward that is. The result is that I got about 4 leads this weekend just from hosting an open house. Let me know in the comments down below. How is your market doing right now in 2026? If you're still in this business and if you're doing well, you need to build upon this foundation because a lot of agents are quitting, leaving the industry. This is the best time to build an infrastructure to learn this operating system. That's going to help you get more clients and get all the deals and just handle everything so smoothly. Use case number 5 is one of the things that I don't want to talk too much about because it's just incredible opportunity. I am now running ChatGPT ads. For every ChatGPT ads, it takes you to a landing page. So what I'm doing is that I'm saying, let's create an ad campaign together using my AI operating system on Claude. What it does, you'll create an ad campaign with all the assets, the title, the headline, the description, and then you will create a landing page that takes the cold traffic and then convert it into a lead. What I'm going to do in the future, I'm going to share the results of how that ad campaign did. If you're interested in that, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then subscribe to my newsletter for free, and I'll send you the updates as I learn more about the ChatGPT ads. The reason I want to mention this, it's important to iterate on your landing page so that you get a higher conversion because every dollar counts, right? Especially if you have a small budget as a realtor. Before, I might have to be the one who goes into the website and then program it and then code it in a way. Now I can just apply best practices from different experts. I can just ask Claude to create that website for me. That is how amazing Claude as an operating system. If you're interested in learning how to use Claude as your real estate AI operating system, sign up to the live cohort using the link down below. Get onto the waitlist. I'm launching very, very soon and you do not want to miss out. Subscribe to the channel and my newsletter for all the free prompts and workflows to help you grow your business here in 2026. And check out how I set up my real estate AI assistant in my previous video here.